How to see pending connections on LinkedIn. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can manage your pending connections on LinkedIn. First thing you want to do is go to linkedin.com and make sure to log into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you basically have to find this option on the top of your screen called My Network. Click on it. And once you head over here, you'll see your invites sent, your connections, and your following. So what you basically have to do is if you have any incoming requests or connections, it will be visible right here. If you click on show more, you'll see different options like groups, events, and others as well. So what you need to do here is if you click on connections, if you want to connect with people, you can just send them the request to connect. Now, once they accept, you should be able to see them in your connection. So if I just go back here, I'll see the option of following here. It has increased, but if I head over to connections, there are no incoming connection requests for my account. And if you have any sent other invites, you will be able to see it over here. Now, you could just click on any one of them. And if you want to cancel the invitation, just click on this pending option, and then you just withdraw the invitation. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.